Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the application ID and any confirmation email. This is essential because lenders match requests to ID. Once you have login access, open the application page and look for a cancel or withdraw option. If none appears, prepare an immediate secure message or phone script with your ID, reason, and request timestamp. Make sure to save screenshots and note the agent's name if you call. Acting now locks evidence and speeds processing. Once logged in, follow the cancel or withdraw link and attach the screenshot of the original submission and your ID. Submit and download the confirmation. If the portal lacks a cancel button, send a secure message or call the lender, clearly stating you withdraw the application, read your ID and app ID aloud, and ask for a reference number. Make sure to ask when they'll stop credit checks. This prevents further inquiries and preserves your credit profile. Finish by confirming you received written closure within 48 to 72 hours. Save that confirmation in multiple places. If no confirmation arrives, escalate immediately, ask for a supervisor, request escalation ID, and document times and names. If the lender continues processing, file a complaint with the lender's compliance office and consider a dispute with your credit bureau. Troubleshooting tip: if hard inquiries appear, freeze your credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.